A freelance contract is a frequently used document that outlines the terms and conditions of a freelance project, including scope, payment terms, and deadlines. With SignNow, you can complete and sign your freelance contract digitally in minutes. To do so, add a freelance employee and hiring party as recipients and proceed to add fillable fields. Insert necessary fields and switch between the recipients you've just added. You can make any field required or optional to ensure that the recipient submits all the data you need. Assign signature and date fields to corresponding recipients and click Continue to finalize your eSignature invite. You can send the freelance contract to the employee and hiring party at the same time or in a specific order. You can also enable signer authentication to protect your document from unauthorized access or select actions to be executed once the document has been signed. When all is set, hit the Send button to dispatch your eSignature invite. SignNow features an intuitive drag-and-drop editor that allows you to send and sign documents on any device. Build multi-step workflows across multiple signers and documents. Eliminate repetitive workflows with reusable templates. Send, negotiate, and track your documents and contracts in real time. Collaborate with team members on shared documents and much more. Give it a try today at SignNow.com.